Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT with the black appearance package. This XLT comes with a molded running board along the side. You've got a remote keyless entry door pad, blind spot mirrors with heated mirrors, and power window controls, power heated seats for both passenger and driver, power adjustable foot pedals, electric e-brake, lighting controls just above that. Go ahead and crank it up. You've got your infotainment screen here with display mode, trip and fuel, towing, off-road status, and various truck settings with pre-collision. Cruise control on the left here, hands-free calling and media controls on the right. Sync 3 sound system with built-in navigation, hotspot for your phone, Ford Pass Connect, and satellite radio. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and then a trailer backup assist. Climate controls are just below that with your heated seats, and then a 12-volt outlet with a 400-watt household plug. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Up here you've got your controls for your twin-panel moonroof, which is just up here. And then you got your center console shift knob. Coming towards the back, you've got your black 4x4 badge, paint matched bumper. Get a black F-150 applique here. Taking a look at the truck bed, you do have the option to put a drop-in or a spray-in bed liner, LED box lighting over there, and you've also got a rear passenger window. Taking a look at the back seat, you've got cloth rear seating here, nice sport decal under the rear seats. These seats do pop up for more storage. Rubber floor mats in the rear. You've got 2 more cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, 2 more USB ports, and another household plug. Can charge a lot of devices in this vehicle. Nice look at the twin panel moonroof from the back seat. You've also got a dome light up here and a hook for hanging clothes or other bags you might need to. Another addition to the black appearance is the blacked out F-150 badge here. Paint match front bumper, you've got black housing headlights, halogen headlights here, black sport mesh grille, you've got fog lights, blacked out Ford logo. Really sharp design to this trim level, so come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.